So guys, I'll be showing you some quick info surrounding this hamster combat. I've already made a video, though it was a combined video with other airdrop I shared on the channel, but I want to highlight on something. I saw a lot of people accumulating tons of coins without using them to get the accurate thing that needed to be done. So the very first thing you're going to be doing here is to follow me step by step as I show you how to use your coins to generate airdrop profit per hour. So you can see on my screen, I just logged in and I saw this particular earnings. I actually subscribed for Qcoin exchange, so you can choose any exchange of your choice and continue participating in this Camstar airdrop. So how do I get this? Because I purchased a lot of bots that earns for me even when I'm not active on the platform. So I'll just quickly claim this, okay, and I will continue to show you what I want to show you. So right here you can see I tap and in 8,500 per turn. Okay, so what are you going to be doing? You have to accumulate these coins. You can see the coins are accumulating here. All right, as the coins are accumulating, you can see this profit per hour. It's very important. So this is very vital. I want to highlight on this. So all these coins you are accumulating here is not equivalent to profit per hour until you use these coins to purchase some stuffs on the mine section. So what are you going to be doing? I will show you what you need to do right away. So apart from daily check-in to earn all these points we are earning, that is an essence of this mining section. So this mining section, let me actually grab all this and continue with the next um step to show you how you can be able to get this profit per hour reward. Okay, so because that is actually one of the main targets on this project. A lot of people are accumulating billions and millions of points coins without using them to do the needful. So I've done a little research and discovered that we are not really earning this as the final bus stop for airdrop reward, but we are using it to do some task on the platform so that we can be able to get allocation during the distribution. So what you're going to be doing is to go to the mine. Okay, click on this mine. It will pop up this page like this. So for those of you who are in the group, I always drop daily answers how you can get this marked quest to get this 5 million points every day. So you can earn 5 million coins by answering the correct questions here. Okay, so we have already shared today on. Let me quickly show you before I'll proceed. So I think the first one here, you can see I have license UAE, long squeeze, and hamster daily show. So let me quickly trace them. So I'll go to the market. See this, we have PRT and team, we have legal, and we have special. So I will talk about all these sections here to show you how you can use them to earn airdrop. So we can look for any of those things I have actually showed you. I've shared them in the group. So license UAE, I am not seeing any of this yet. So what I'm going to be doing is to go to this section. I'll go to PR and team. So then I'll scroll down. I'll look for any of the stuffs that I've found there as the answers for today. Okay, so let me look for any of them. So none of them is here, so I'll go to legal. I think they are all under legal section. So you have a license UAE. License UAE is supposed to be around this place. You can see we have let me quickly scroll. Okay, you can find one here. This is license UAE. So when I go to upgrade, so I will purchase. Cool, first card is ready. Don't stop. So I've received this first one. Okay, so the next one is to think. The next one I saw there was long squeeze under trade, so I can get this under this section. Let me quickly check out if I can find that one here. So there is none here. I think I'll still go to this section, market again. So I think you have so you have to look for them here and find out the ones that are the answers for the day. So we couldn't find them in any of these three, so I'll go to special. I think the remaining two should be under special. So you can see Hamster daily show is here. Tap on it. You upgrade. You are using your coin to upgrade to this particular one. So I'll go ahead. So I'll upgrade this particular stuff like this. So I'll scroll down, look for long squeeze. This is short, this is long. Think what I saw there is long squeeze. So let me go for long squeeze. I'll click on this and go ahead. So I'll be spending one. So all those coins I'm spending, I'm using them to get this particular reward. Then I will get to purchase things on those sections. So I'll take the quiz reward. So I've received the reward for the day. You can see it filled up this place, and I received 5 million coins. It has accumulated here. So what am I saying? You have to come to the special. This is very, very important. So you can see we have my cards, we have new cards, we have missed opportunity. So my cards are the ones I have already purchased. You can see if I tap on this particular one, it will tell me that I own this one, this level 9 under Venom blockchain. So we did this and I've received this particular card. Okay, so I got this card. I also got this one, the Joe Rogan podcast. So this AI, this Hamster AI, I own it. So I purchased them. Come to this, you can go to new cards and buy all of these and start earning. Okay, so you can upgrade each card to a certain level according to your balance. So you can see if I tap on this Hamster YouTube channel, I'm on level 10 now. I can use 35,000 coins to upgrade and I'll be earning 3,450 coins per hour. Okay, so that is how the thing works. So once I upgrade, it will add up to my balance here. If I boost this, it will increase my profit per hour. Here I'm around 263,000. So if I tap here, I'll click on go ahead, because you can go ahead and join them on YouTube. So I'll spend 35,000 to upgrade. So in the next 1 hour, I'll come and upgrade to another level. I'll spend 64. So if I go to this place, I have my 263. So 263 is here. So if I go to another one and upgrade again, let me watch out to see if this will increase from 263. So let me check out this particular one, this Bitcoin pizza day. So when I tap on this, I'll click on go ahead. Okay, I'll spend 55. Okay, 263. So I'll upgrade again. So after 1 hour, I'll upgrade. So that is how to upgrade to buy cards and earn hourly reward. It's very, very important. You can come to this place and spend this. So you'll be buying this. You can see my balance has increased from 263 to 265. That is how to upgrade. You can keep doing that. Spend most of your coins here. Spend most of your coins to buy those cards and make sure you upgrade those cards. Okay, so come to this, and if you are in the group, you should be getting all these answers for yourself. Okay, so I'll be dropping them so that you can go ahead and start utilizing them. So this staking will be giving me 13k, okay, profit. I'll spend 1.16 million. So I'll click on this, I'll upgrade to level 15. Okay, so you can see I got 266 instead of 265. So as you're upgrading your balance, it will be boosting your profit per hour. So that is basically all about this particular Hamster project. So don't forget to join our platform, and I also drop other links, especially YesCoin will be listing very soon. So if you are not on YesCoin, kindly join with the link, and other potential Telegram bot airdrop. So they are all Web3 projects that will definitely give us good return in the no distance time. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.